Okay, let's get started. Reading and grammatical analysis for non-native speakers of English. Now, I'm going to read the passage, and this passage is taken from Yahoo Finance. Alright, now let's read the passage. US stock futures, this is subject, and this is verb, and retreat is
retreat, retreat,
this is pronunciation, and retreat verb, make a retreat, withdraw, or slope backward. So retreat means go backward. And so US stock futures retreated on Friday after, this is conjunction, another hotter than expected inflation reading. This is subject, and hotter than expected is a adjective. Undermine the case for interest rate cuts. Undermine.
undermine, undermine,
Undermine transitive verb, to subvert or weaken, insidiously cyclic. So weaken is a simple word. Weaken. Undermine the case for interested. Case is, I think it's a situation or something. For interest rate cuts. This means because of the another hotter than expected inflation reading, the possibility of interest rate cuts was reduced. Now let's go to the next sentence. S&P 500 futures, this is subject, fell, verb, 0.2% in the wake of another record closing high. In the wake of, as a result of, in the wake of another record closing high. Record is extraordinary closing high, while is again conjunction. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures, this is subject, dipped, verb, dip means drop, 0.3%. Contract on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100, this is subject, rose, verb, slightly. Contract means selling and buying, selling. The producer price index, this is subject, a key gauge, measurement. Key gauge measuring wholesale inflation. This is, in this part is explanation of producer price index. So which is jumped, this is verb, 0.3% in January from the prior month. Prior month is, as a result, prior month is December. More than the 0.1 rise expected by economists. More than the 0.1% rise is so this sentence is economists expected 0.1 rise, but the producer price index jumped 0.3%. Next sentence. The market, subject, has been on the ride. On a ride. Yeah, on a ride is has been good. As means probably when a series of mixed data prompted A series of mixed data means some index was going up and some was going down. And a series of mixed data prompted verb invested to keep reassessing. So as a result of series of mixed data, investors kept reassuring their view of the U.S. economy, Federal Reserve policy thinking, and the timing of interest rate cuts. The Dow, this is subject, sank, verb, 500 points, just a day after notching all-time high. Notch here means lose. I would say lose all-time high as a surprisingly hot consumer, as is when hot consumer inflation report, this is subject, spurred a rout, spur, cause, and rout, confusion, I think.